You're probably surprised to know that strain gauges are all over mobile phones as well. I think if there's anybody in the audience without a mobile phone, I'll be very surprised. So the first thing is that we use strain gauges to measure the manufacturing strains. So one of my jobs is going all over Europe and teaching people to bond strain gauges, PCBs, to basically validate a production line. And that production line can't start manufacturing these PCBs until it's been shown that they won't exceed a certain value of microstrain as a standard for that testing. You may also be surprised to know, of course, that if you ever drop your mobile phone, you pick it up and it's still working. So you can thank this standard here, which is the drop test method for handheld electronics. So again, this is a strain gauge based test to improve the reliability of your mobile phone. More and more now you're seeing integrated strain gauges. There is a phone on the market with squeeze control, so the person will squeeze their fingers in a variety of different ways to make different actions on the phone, and also haptics, so not only where you press but how hard you press. So some products have a strain gauge frame with the screen mounted on it, so actually measure the force directly. And then there are a few patents that are going to start talking about integrating strain gauges into the structure of the phone, and there'll be a little recording circuit in there. So if you drop it, it will detect their 0G and start recording. So you go back to the shop to claim your phone broke whilst you're making a call. The recording the phone will tell you that you did drop it. So it'll be a warranty issue.